Welcome to Telescope, where curiosity meets humanity. On August 20, 2025, at around 8:40 a.m., we are taking you on a drone adventure over Pingwu County's Baima Tibetan town in Mianyang, Sichuan, China. This drone journey unveils another realm, where mountains stand tall like ancient guardians, and nature paints a masterpiece with every cloud and curve. Look at this dramatic landscape. These rugged cliffs are draped in vibrant green, as if nature decided to throw a forest party on the mountainside. The river below twists like it's playing hide and seek with its scarce water, leaving the riverbed exposed with all kinds of stones lying around randomly. The valley is mysterious, curved like a snake, with a small road alongside the river and cliffs beside it, covered in green trees. The parts of the surface reveal rocky outcrops. Clouds blanket the hilltops, giving the illusion of a mist. As the drone soars, we see more mist forming, and the riverbed becomes distant from our view. The valley is so narrow that it looks like a strategic location, easy to defend but difficult to attack. Occasionally, a bird flies overhead, and I can't help but think of the poem by Tao Renming. The mountain air is most pleasant in the evening, and the flying birds return together. The drone keeps soaring, and the view grows less clear as the mist thickens. Then it turns direction, and the clouds almost fill the view. The clouds seem to hug the peaks, as if they are reluctant to let go. This place feels alive, whispering tales of resilience and tranquility. It's a reminder of how small we are in nature's grand design. This is a telescope where we explore life with curiosity and passion. From misty mountains to hidden villages, there's so much more to discover. Ready for more breathtaking views, culture insights, and nature's wonders? Hit subscribe and join us on this journey.